Zoho Books WooCommerce integration. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to integrate our Zoho Books together with our WooCommerce over here. So what we're going to do is we could both check out Zoho Books over here, click on our settings over here on the top right, and over here you will be able to see integration and marketplace over here. So in this page, you can check out the different Zoho apps or like different Zoho tools that will allow you to connect with your WordPress over here. It's either in the marketplace over here in the extensions. Now, if you can't find an application that you like inside of our Zoho Books, we can also go to our WordPress over here, wherein you navigate in plugins and simply search Zoho Books in this page. Click on Discover or Search. Try it again, Zoho Books, and click on Search. You will then be able to see all kinds of tools and applications that would actually allow us to integrate our Zoho Books and WooCommerce together, such as this one over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.